guys, welcome back again to our channel. How is everybody doing? First of all, this way. Hey guys, welcome back again. Thank you for tuning in again. Still your baby G Bianca Belletta Guest TV, all the way from Lecco, Italy. Thank you for tuning in. Let me come close so that you guys can see how your baby girl look. This is your baby G. I'm going out soon to get my ring light, so I'm actually doing this video with one light over there, normal light, like you know, your light, and this other one. So guys, before we go out to get our new tripod, I want to show you guys what I have for this. You know, we are in June, which is we are getting close to winter, so here are some ideas whereby you can easily get some beautiful colors. Like these similar colors is just the type that I love, and I and my daughter, we are also going to be doing trying on of a dress, of some dresses that we both have together. Okay, so before I and my daughter, we are going to do try on of dress, so let me take you guys along this very one. Okay, thank you for coming. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, here is the first one. Okay guys, yes, these are gold. You can see the way the gold is shining. This is the hand, and here there is necklace. Okay, look at that, so beautiful. Look at the way it is. Okay, so beautiful, and you can see it, yeah, made in Italy, Artigo, whatever. Okay guys, and this one is just so beautiful, and I'm going to be doing trying on differently, because to create content you just need to be specific about the things. Okay, so then allow me to do this video, please. So this is it. This is the first one, and you know that we are in Christmas period, so this Christmas all we need is just gold. Okay, so this Serena will allow me to go. And another color that I have, which you will love also, is this one. Okay, look at this beautiful color over here, this beautiful one, and they are not expensive. Like this very one, and 17 euro. This one is 17 euro from Nimna Wales, Lumina, sorry guys, Lumina. Okay, from Lumina style. So I love this one. Look at this color. They just the 4-season color, like this for is just during a tune. Okay, whereby the leaf they are falling, all the leaf they are now orange and yellow. Okay, that is why we call it 4. Okay, you can Google it, and Google will tell you. So this one is so beautiful, and me, I think I'm gonna rock this very one on Christmas Day. That would be nice. On Christmas Day, this is what I'll be putting on, or my marriage anniversary. Yeah, I got a dress for it. You know, this period they are doing sales of things like this. You can easily go to shop, and I also have some jeans. Okay, for this winter is this top over here. Look at that, so beautiful. These are beautiful sweater which you are going to put on, and it will be okay. It will be nice for you to stay inside. Look at this design. You can see it really, but it's not that visible. You can see just a little, but it's okay. So this is how it is. Very, very thick, and the thing is just like the color alone is so beautiful. The real color is not what you guys are seeing on this screen. I'm not going to say this kind of color. It's not dark green. It's not light green. It's just something like turquoise. Okay, dark turquoise. Okay, dark turquoise. So that is it. So dark feroz color I want to see. Okay, so this is it. And this one is so beautiful. I will do try on. Don't worry guys. The try on video will be coming up. How to style it step by step. I will do it step by step without order. It's not like this way that I'm doing it. I'm a little bit oily now. So with this green, I'm going to use different, maybe 2 shoe. One, I will use one trouser throughout. Okay, but I will make sure I will do it in a way to love it. If you, in case you want to go out with this kind of dress, you know how to style it. Okay, so then another basket is another one that I have here, guys, is this one here. This very one. This one is so beautiful. So then I meant to do list. Look at the neck. This one is just round neck. I normally do love V-neck, but the coat is just too much that I need to cover my boobs. But I love when this V is showing over here, when this V is out, but I don't have choice not to close it because the coat is just too much. And yeah, so this is it. This color is just the color of Flora or so. Excuse me guys, 1 minute. But like something like Flora, but we can call it just like peach, not peach now, fruit. So just like peach color, and I love the color. These are pink, just like something like pink, just like similar color. Look at it. This very well. We can call it. Is this rose? Coda? No, Coda is a little bit dark, but we can just call it peach. Let's just call it peach. But the color is just the trendy color. I have the rug in my room, like the one you spread on the floor before you go inside your bed, because I normally love, whenever I remove my shoe, I always have something to clean my leg, then I will go inside my bed. It's just something that is used to me. Okay, and so this is it. No, mama, I'm fine morning. So this is it guys. I love this color, so beautiful, and I'm gonna be doing the styling as I said before. So that is it. And the next thing, again, I don't want this video that too long, you know. Okay, this very well. They also on Instagram. This shop here, Lamina, they are on Instagram. In case you need it online, you can just go tap it, go to their Instagram. Okay, it's not that they sponsor this video. No, they didn't sponsor this video, but at the same time, the dress is beautiful. This very one, this horse color show, I'm gonna use it to style another one, which whenever I'm styling it, I will let you guys know. It's a complete dress. Okay, I bought this very one with this blazer. See this blazer? Imagine these two colors will go together, so beautiful. That would be so sweet and gorgeous. Okay, to be so gorgeous. 1 and 2 with this one. Then I'm going with my brown shoe, and I'm going with the same trouser. I also have trousers that go with it. This army green, I have about 2 trousers, and I'm going to be using brown shoe with my any bag can go with it. Like I have one Moschino bag that is this color, this army green. So that is what I will be using to style it. Look at that, so beautiful. And the trouser will be of this color, and the trouser is going to be a high waist, like ear waist, how they call it, ear trouser. Okay, so let me show you guys example of it. I did a review for it, but it was on my page, so I'm gonna show you guys the jeans that I'm talking about that I'm gonna use to style it. Okay, just 1 minute, excuse me. Okay guys, this is one of the jeans. This one is a little bit light, but it can go with it, yeah. But this one is just a color that can go with it, that will fit it very well. Okay, or better still, I have this this ear trouser. I have the brown, I have the black of it. Okay, I have black, I have other color. This is just the product of Zwiki anyhow. Okay, so that is it. This trousers, I bought it for to put it on. It's not something else. Okay, so beautiful. Wow. So guys, and other things that I have, I will surely bring it to you guys, but for now these are the ones that I can show to you guys. But what I really love is this very one that I can't wait to style it. These 2 color, and with this belt also. It came with belt. No, it's supposed to the very dress, this very blazer supposed to have a belt, but the belt was not that too cute, so I just like no. And here is my belt, and the belt go with it, the color with the dress, everything is just super perfect. And yeah, so that is it. So these are the review we have for today. We are gonna give a snap. We are gonna give a good thumbnail to this picture, and at the same time, thank you once again for watching this video. And I will bring the try on. The try on will be I don't know when, but the video will come before Christmas. I have a lot of videos, just that the channel is not going well. That is why I didn't bother to post that much. But at the same time, these are the ones. And for the jeans, I think I'm supposed to show you guys also the jeans. Okay, let me show you guys the jeans in this video, because Serena is just here disturbing. So before we go and bring out the clothes, then maybe that will be in another video. Okay, I don't want this video more longer like this. I think it's okay like this, and it's more better when the video is short and you can enjoy it than too much of talk and the baby is here disturbing. Okay, thank you for watching, and I appreciate and I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I love you. Still your baby girl. Don't forget to subscribe and like. If you can share this video, share out. and I appreciate. Thank you so much. God bless you as you share, as you subscribe, and as you follow my page, Mondo de Bellezza. We love you. We at you. Thank you and bye. Mwah.